Hi, it's Awesome Tiger, and I'm back with a new recipe. This one's an improved recipe. An improved recipe is the same food but a different recipe. It's a snow cone, and I explain it differently too. So right here, I froze some Gatorade in these ice cube patterns. This one's a fit like a starfish shaped one. And then I also have a blender here. And also some more Gatorade. Let's get started. So first you need the Gatorade cubes, and then you put them inside the blender. So this one's a silicone ice cube patterns. These are silicone, so I can just pop them out from underneath. You put it until the blender is about 75% full. One, and done. That's about 75%. Now you put the lid on top, and then you put it in, lock it, and then hold the top and flat. Oh, it doesn't seem to be working, so I might need to add a little Gatorade. It depends. If it isn't mixing well and it barely mixed, then you need to put a little more Gatorade, or else it won't mix. But then if you have a very powerful blender, then you don't need to put more Gatorade. Let's try this again, see if it works this time. And also bring a spoon in, just in case. Because your Gatorade cubes might be in the wrong position, so they might not mix properly. Now let's start again. Alright, time to try again. It's slowly doing its job. I'll need to give it another mix. It's slowly starting to turn into snow. You basically just keep doing this until you mix it and you don't feel any more Gatorade. Yeah, I think it's working because there's too much snow. So if this happens to you, then put some of the snow into either like a paper cone or a paper cup. And then don't put the Gatorade cubes in there though. Only put the snow that you have. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm going to try this again. See if it has any difference. Okay. So you just have to repeat this process until you have no Gatorade cubes, but only Gatorade snow. Okay, now we have a special guest here from our old videos, Rocking Robo. Yeah! He's here to try out the snow cone. So, 3, 2, 1, test.
This is good.
Do you think humans would like it?
Yeah.
I think so too.
Oh no, the water is affecting my circuits.
That's not good. Uh-oh. Okay. So, if you enjoyed it, comment it in the comments and be sure to like and subscribe. And turn on your notifications for any new videos. Bye!